What are the hottest T4s trending with the MSF community right now? What are the best T4s that you should have the most confidence in? And the best Iso-8s you should be the most confident in investing in as well. I am talking about this with actual data from the MSF community with my brother TyeJae in this video from MSF.gg. So if you're ready for it, brother TyeJae, tell him what to do.
Let's go, MSF.gg it.
ValleyFlyin.
Oh, what is up, Valley Maniacs? I am ValleyFlyin. Welcome back to the ValleyFlyin channel. And this is a video that you're probably going to want to share with all your alliance mates, all your friends that play MSF.gg. Oh, I was about to say MSF.gg. That is the new verb, guys. All your friends that play MSF Marvel Strike Force. I am joined by my brother from MSF.gg, TyeJae, who has just, I got to go this way, who has just created a new verb for the MSF.gg community. We're gonna go MSF.gg stuff right now. What is up, brother? Happy New Year.
Hey, Happy New Year, man. It's good to be back.
I am glad to have you back. I was bringing up some new stuff on the show with some updates to the Marvel Strike or the MSF.gg. I'm getting confused myself here.
I threw a new verb at you, and it's all. I
know. I was all ready, and then like, whoa. All right, but let me have you do some talking here and explain what is going on this site. Let's go there right now because there is some new things going on, and I guess let's start with the T4 confidence. This new thing, new feature on MSF.gg, and I'll let you take it away. You can explain all this cool stuff that we have here.
This is something that we've had in the bot, and we decided just to bring it to the website because a lot of times it's just a little bit easier to function through a lot of different characters at a time. So this one in particular will tell you what people in the community have T4'd the most. And so we don't use the whole community because we wanted to use gear tier 12 and higher characters that basically thinking that people are probably going to know what they're doing at gear tier 12 and higher. So you can see here like 97.9% of people are T4ing Black Bolt's passive there.
Is that all of users or all users that have Black Bolt on their roster?
This is all users that have Black Bolt on their roster that have upgraded. So there's 5,497 users that have upgraded.
Okay.
And then there's like of gear 12 and higher is 97%. Whatever the math is probably 6,000 users or something.
Okay. Now the other cool feature that you showed, you have this search tool right here. So, and the example you were using as we were talking beforehand was Ebony Maw. So if I type in Ebony Maw there, we can see all of just Ebony Maw's skills. So we can see the probably the best place that people should be investing in is this special right here. We have this ultimate right here with the 85% of users here. So these are the most popular ones, but there's a couple other features that you added onto this just to make it a little easier for people, right?
Yeah, if you're anything like me, I'm always forgetting what the abilities do because I don't remember them all. So what I did was I just created a little hover over that will show you what the ability does at that max level. Okay.
Yep. So showing Insidious Whisper there and applying its defense up perfect. So we know exactly what it does. And I guess if you're newer to the game or you're looking through AIM or someone, if you hover over it, you can see what the character's name is because there's some characters that look very similar. So that is a cool feature, and it works on mobile as well, right? If you're just holding it on mobile, you can see the character's name.
Yep.
And this is a cool feature here as well. We talked about the bot to upload your roster, and when you do that, there's a bunch of cool features we covered in other videos, but one of the cool ones when you're searching on this T4 confidence is to exclude your own characters. So all the characters that I already have done, and we'll see which popular T4s I don't have done. Yeah, Coulson's passive, Namor's passive, all these war things for me that I haven't done. And this is very helpful for people if they're wondering if they got like, oh, I got all these T4s. What should be the next one? If they just want to, maybe not the best for the roster, but if they want to see what is the most popular T4s for the community that they may want to end up doing at some point, they could just exclude these and go, all right, So this is a popular one I don't have done. I could just do this one.
Yeah, and what I like about this one is that it shows you the entire history of everybody's roster. And so this is like the overall top view of what is the most T4'd.
Oh yeah, here's a Yondu one. This is probably a real old one. Right?
Yeah, that's like it, because it includes new and old meta because it's the entire history.
And to solve that issue, if you were not wanting to see some of these Yondu passive, you have this other tab right here, T4 trends. What are we looking at here? So
what you're looking at here is this is going to be over the past 28 days, split up into two 14-day segments. So it'll tell you from the first 14 days to the second 14 days, what is the trend? So it's
so very popular with this passive for Symbiote Spider-Man right there, and moving up 3 spots. How do I know if we're in the first 14 days or the second 14 days of this trend?
So it's always showing them both. So the numbers that you see on the right-hand side are the second 14 days. So that's where it gets those numbers. Where it gets the trend is from the previous 14 days.
Got it. Yep. Okay. So nice. So this is a big mover. This ultimate of Thanos, the passive of Thanos. Maybe that's because of the Ebony Maw event that came back pretty recently. People building up their Black Order.
I was thinking DD4 too. A lot of people are bringing Thanos into DD4.
Good point. Yeah. So whatever the reason though, people are building up their Thanos, and
these make sense,
Spider-Man's good reason. Yeah, all of these characters are great GD4 characters, which has been the trend in the past few weeks here. Black Bolt again with that Sonic Scream. We have more Symbiote Spider-Man, more Black Bolt Emma. All good characters. People look like they're investing in a lot of great characters. We see that Hella Death Knives, which is a very, very good ultimate T4 introduction. And we have these same features that we have right here. We could search for individual characters, and then you could exclude these my own characters. So if we want to see which are the best T4s that I have not already done, the ultimate for Carnage, very, very, very popular. I wonder what that is due to.
I think that might be that, and that people are really building up their symbiote team for Ultimate 7. Or
Ultimate 7. Maybe the Greeks or some other raids, but yeah, some of the passive of Venom, very popular as well. So these are the ones that are very popular in the past few days or the past couple weeks that people are doing. And because I have this checked button, these are the ones that I do not have on my roster right now. So
something interesting to look at is if you see the T4 percentage, it's not going in order anymore.
And what is the order going? Just
it's ordered by the
total upgrades.
Yeah, the total upgrades. Yep.
Okay. And if I wanted to do the order, I could sort it by this.
Yeah, you could. Yep.
And reverse order and things like that. Yep. It's awesome. It's awesome stuff.
So you can actually search by character name, ability name, or ability type. So like ability type, like I want to see what the most popular passive is. Just type in passive.
So boom. All right. So the Symbiote Spider-Man and Thanos is passive. The passive of Carnage, all great passives.
Yeah.
Black Bolt. Yeah, these are really good ones.
Just a little bit more information for people to look at if they want.
And then if we want to go special, what are the most popular specials? We could do that right here. Nice. Yeah. So Thanos, Ebony Maw, all these same characters, guys. All these great characters. So this very, very good resource. If you're ever not sure what T4 you should be investing in, if any, if you're wanting to spend your resources, then this is the place to come, guys. MSF.G. The link is going to be in the description, and we got one more very important thing for people that are upgrading their characters. This is about the Iso-8. You want to tell us about this chart that we're looking at here?
Yeah, so this is just every character now. If you scroll down, you'll see every character in this list. And this will tell you what the community is most putting the ISO class on each character. And I've ordered it from left to right for each character. So that the most assigned one is in the very left column there. And then it goes on down to all 5.
Okay, and yeah, I see it's different for every character. Some are very, very high percentages. Some like this Aim. I gotta hover over this character, Aim Infector. I couldn't even remember who he was. Very, very mixed as far as what the community is picking, and we can still search by character's name here. And one feature that you're thinking of adding is searching by teams.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I'm gonna add a drop down here of like all the popular teams. so that people can quickly filter to them. But you can kind of do it now. I've made it to where you can search by just putting a comma. So if you put like blob and toad, for example, blob comma toad.
Blob comma toad. All right, so we see nice. Okay. So if there's individual characters from teams, you know, you can still do it. You'll just have to type out the individual characters for now.
We'll eventually put the shortcut in there for everybody.
Yeah, that'll be real cool. All right, and yeah, we can see the Iso-8 classes for these characters as well. Makes it very, very simple, guys. Is there anything else that they should be looking for on this as far as features for this Iso-8 confidence list?
One other thing that they'll be able to do is you can just go ahead and hover over any one of those ISO classes, and it just gives you a little bit of more information about what that does.
Okay, and is this the level 1, level 3, level 5 bonus?
This is going to be always going to be the level 5 bonus.
Level 5. Okay, so this is what they would see as the max level. Got it. TyeJae, I think you've done an awesome job with this site. You and your partner in crime, Pimptoxy, have done awesome work on this site, guys. And yes, links to msf.g, their Discord, their Patreon, all that stuff, guys. You guys should support them for all the hard work that they do for the community. All that links will be down below. Anything else you want to discuss? Anything else you want to promote? Anything else coming up on the website that you want to talk about before you go this time, my friend?
I just wanted to say that we're getting a little bit of a quick preview to all of the Valley Maniacs out there that I'm only going to have this page available for them for the first few hours after the video comes out, and then I'll release it to everybody. So make sure that link is in the description too.
All right, so yes, I almost forgot the link for the Iso-8, the T4 confidence and T4 trends. That will be in the description, guys, and you guys get a sneak preview.
Yeah,
so
and look for more stuff coming to that page. We're going to add some more.
Yeah, we talked about some stuff and some stuff you don't want to be made public yet, but yeah, some cool stuff, guys. And stay tuned on this channel and maybe on another channel too, maybe the TyeJae channel in the future.
Yeah, you've been pushing for that, right?
I am gonna push you until you make one, brother. Let him know in the comments if you want to see him do some content on YouTube. But either way, thank you once again, brother. It is always a pleasure. Like I said, guys, links are going to be down below for all of his stuff. And it supports him as Pimptoxy as well. And check out some of my other videos before you go. TyeJae, before you go, give me a hug fist bump, brother. Where is it? There it is. Oh, yeah. TyeJae ValleyFlyin out.